starting off with the main cake layer, we want 2.5 cups of flour, half a cup of lemon juice, half a cup of sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, half a cup of cooking oil, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a cup of plant-based milk, and 1.5 cups of Sprite or 7-Up. Yes. Now going in, first of all we're going to start off with the dry ingredients, give them a good whisk. Next, in with the wet. Wash the fizzle. And the lemon zest. Give that a good whisk until it's all well combined. Now in a greased tray, we're just going to pour that in. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Now we're going to pop that into the oven for 45 minutes on 170 degrees C or around 330 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, it comes out absolutely perfect. Now with a toothpick, give it a poke. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Now we're going to move on to our icing layer. So we're going to use 250 grams of icing sugar, zest of 1 lemon again, and 3 teaspoons of Sprite or 7-Up. Now just be very, very careful with this. Don't overdo it. It can get very runny very quickly. Now, just make sure it's well separated and pour on the icing. Make sure you nudge it around the sides, let everything soak in. There you go, folks. Right, now, with some lemons, we're going to decorate that just to make it look pretty. And on top, we're going to give it a final bit of drizzle. And look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Very nice. You can poke it. It's spongy on the inside. Very, very nice. This one goes out to Jonathan Cage on TikTok who requested this, and also Kate who actually taught me you can make cakes using Sprite, so I figured I'd give it a try. I literally adapted my pina colada cake recipe to try this using the Sprite, so thank you very much. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, there are no animals or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Ciao for now, and I will see you on the next one.